Hello guys.
Wala. Pero ganyan po. Yung ililingo ko na doon.
I'm again to go again. Let's go. Yeah, this is mega again. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to get max level in here, I guess. And they're still at freaking Barbados. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's almost 2026 now. I can get ready for that. I'm looking like I'm 8 years old. Nah, I think it's. I never show me. I never tell my age anymore. I don't know. And my name is CJ, and you can call me Christian. And can you stop trading me? I'm not freaking have an admin. I'm not a freaking admin. Everything, bro. Please stop. Can you just stop? Why everyone trying to trade me? They think I have a freaking secrets. Admins, I already have secrets though. And oh no! That's right. Oh no!
Bitawan mo ang tabit ha. Wala na akong tabit maghapon. Bitawan mo. Wala ka na nakikinig. Wala ka na pinito. Hapon pa ako dalawa ng tabit. Sabi mo yung inahin ka sa akin, di ba? Kanina pa ako nagdala sa iyo ah. Dito ka, pas kayo. Kunin mo yung ano. Pumunta ka dito.
Wow!
Pumunta ka dito.
Ano nga, ma?
Pumunta ka dito.
Copy it. Okay. So the face is right. Oof. The face is right. And let me see. Cook. And Tagalog.
CJ! Wala na ah! Ano?
Yeah. And there's chocolate there. I have chocolate there. Look. I should have jobs. Don't give me a job again.
Ano? Ano? Sumunod!
Oh no! I just put it there. I think it's broken too. Shit.
Ano? Hindi ba ako susunod? Maghapon di ka hahawak ng tablet ha. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo. Ibabat ko sa ulo mo. Tingnan mo yung ginagawa mo sa akin. Sinabi ko sa'yo. Hindi mo talaga inaano. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo. Sabi naman.
Linis ko na. Ginlinis.
Tawa mo yan. Tawa mo yan.
Bakit naman?
Yung pagkain, kanina pa naghihintay sa'yo. Kanina pa naghihintay sa'yo. Ibapasagin ko na to yung tablet mo. Diba? Ilang beses ko sinasabi, pagkain muna para hindi ako nagagalit. Kang ina, gustong-gusto nyo talaga lagi ako nagsisisigaw sa inyo. Hindi angka. Ayaw mo ng ano. Araw-araw gawin mo yan, ha? Ayoko nakikita may tirang pagkain mo, ha? Ayoko. Mayroon pa yan. Hindi angka. Ayaw mo kayo. Kaulit-ulit lang tayo, ha? Sinabi na ayoko ng ganyan. Wala na yan. Yan na lang kunti. Ito ang malit lang yun. Tama na yan. Kainom ka. At least may...
Okay, that's na. Ikaw na lang yan.
Sinabi ko sa'yo, ubusin ang pagkain eh.
Wag ko na.
Okay.
Nanda, Wow.
Isa man subo to CJ.
Ano?
Isa man subo. Pumasok kayo. Diba sabi ng daddy mo dito sa loob? Sige, ulit-ulitin mo yung ginagawa mo. Hindi ka sa akin ngayon dati.
Yeah.
Yan. Yan. Ano ito? Ikaw ang may dyan.
Sa 24, magbibigay na kami.
Bakit?
4K. Tapos 4K bago magbago.
Naman sama.
Kasi yung kanya daw yata, kalahati daw yung mangyayari. Kasi ako naman, wala naman ako sa akin talaga.
Ano?
Nahut ako siya, hindi mo pinag Kasi yung kanya yata, kalahati daw. Naiiya magsabi, ako yung nagsabi. Kalahati daw. Kailan ang bonus mo? 24. 24, tapos yung kalahati daw. Bago magbagong taon. Bago ba magbagong taon?
Siyempre lang kasi nasa bago ka kayo hindi nasa...
I need to get the machine. Why don't we start my phone? Oh. I just get freaking get on my tab. Because my turn is suddenly turned to a freaking roasted bitch. And my turn is turned to a roasted bitch too. And I cannot play Roblox. I'm just playing Cookie Click every day.
Oo, yung sa bonus.
And
Eh, di ba yun naman ang sinabi yung sa akin bonus?
my freaking hands are look like green or red. I don't know. And I have freaking secrets. I wish I have all the secrets to get some.
Ngayon daw sang na tuloy, unang banat niyo sa akin, bonus. Oh, bonus ang unang banat niyo sa akin.
And someone get the freaking spaghetti to Laletti.
Sinabi mo sa kanya na
Hey, yo, chill. He's.
tapos pala ng ano yung bonus mo, tigkakalahati niya yung sa bonus.
What the fuck?
Ba't ako? Ikaw ano kaya ang sinasabi?
Eclipse trick? That's so much. No.
Sinabi na, rin pa ni
Yeah.
Lucille yun, na bonus ang
Star level 77. That's what. enough then. I'm not sure my voice in 2027. That's my fake voice on my. And
Nasala ko sa inyo na gusto ko
my fake voice was the high voice. And my real voice was a low voice. You can tell my voice in the comments. Down in the comments. Much edgy. Oh my god! What the fuck?
Kasi lahat din ng pera ko
Can I just join the party, please?
Kasi ano ako, may babayaran kasi ako, pangako ko sa inyo.
Oh,
Bayad nyo.
no way, trying to. Yeah, I just joined the party and that spaghetti to laliti. I go.
Si ate nga, sabi ko sa kanya, kwanto na yung last na yun, hindi na niya binigay.
And my.
Kasi nga gagayad yung asawa ko dahil lagpas-lagpas na si ate. Eh ayoko na magpa-utang. Kaysa ako yung nasasagad eh.
Kasi happy, pwede ba yan?
Magiging happy yung ano mo. Wala ka naman ibabayad sa buhay.
Pero ano naman yung bago makakita? No,
Tapos wala ako dito sa 31, uwi kami ng Caloocan.
Gcash.
Oo, bay ka.
And I'm done. I just drink some good.
Ba't mo
And the spaghetti.
Kala ko na pag kita ng asawa ko, kaya ayaw ko na magpa-utang. Kasi ako
She's
nasasagad.
lovely. Thoughts again. Why does? Oh,
Ako nga, ipinapunta ko pa sa bahay.
Walang dala ako.
Playa.
speed potion. And so, I get Pharaoh.
Yan, 24
Last time I got Pharaoh. Two. Oof. And my luck is so bad. I look like a freaking bitch and it's so lucky. And then 2026 was so lucky you too.
Ano yung ano mo? Tablet mo?
Bigay ng tita niya. Oo, bigay na. Hindi, dala yan po Taiwan. Galing sa Taiwan.
And they're gonna and
Baka ano yan.
Oo nga, ipakahirap ang pwede. Hindi ko makakita.
Mga-audit yun dyan.
and
Naku, nag-aaway na nga kami.
talent. I can speak Tagalog now.
Akala ko magpapalibang kapalibang tayo.
Yun nga, yun nga. Pag
I
hindi ko
can
asawa, wala pa ako
say
dito.
anything.
Sa Baguio. May event yun. Pag di ka Baguio tuwing December.
Oh, smiley.
Dati sumasama kami doon.
Wala ba itong space there? Ganyan lang.
Ay, space pa yun.
Ano yung may space dito? Yung ganyan.
Pwede ba sa Ate Loni?
Hindi din. Ito?
Ay,
And oh my gosh, someone is Loki, bro. It's teacher.
Nagkita ko. Yung ano?
Oh my god, it's really silly. It's really silly.
pero mga anak.
I don't know. Mawin lang.
Wait lang.
Wait lang.
And my well, again.
4K sa 20. Pero dito ka pa ng 24.
Oo. Pero 25 pupunta kami Caloocan. Doon kasi magpapasko.
And my mom.
Hindi kami mag-ano dito eh. Ayaw ng...
And doon na. Wait.
Ay, bastos naman tong anak ko na to ay.
Ano?
May ginagawa ako ah. Ano ba tong pattern nito be? Pattern pa naman. Huwag mo manahin.
I'm not again.
Mali pala yung pangalan. Tama.
7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Sino? Oo, si Kuya Rads. Gulat nga ako eh. Di naman kasi dati ah.
Ha?
Di naman ang ano.
Hindi, may ko lang nakita yun.
Madan ma!
Dati na sa inyo yun?
Man!
Oo, nakita ko.
Dan na!
Yun yung una-una kong tinuwala.
Madan na!
Wait lang. Ah, ito ba ako?
Ito. Chat kita na lang.
Hindi ba ako machat-chat?
Ano chat kita? Nasa message request.
May, may ano ka, may friend tayo, kaya gano'n. Kasi pag...
Sa akin mga bata ang bago ka.
Nasapod pa ako, tao pa ako dyan.
Bakit? Ano ka?
Ay, kasama ko ba yan?
Oh, shit na.
Dalaga pa ako dyan. Ngayon nga lang ako.
And my mom's trying to use my freaking iPad. And I'm trying to make a video.
Ano tao ngayon, hindi na tao ngayon eh.
Danda!
Dalawa na lang kaya. Hindi ko siya napabula ka.
Kaya magkawagong taon dito. Dito sa Kalawaw. Tapos ako sa sila magkaan.
Side mo?
Kahit ng asawa ko. Biko lang.
Ah, hindi ko masabi ko.
Goodbye.
Pero sagot.
And
Pero biko li. Ano na kami? Sino? Side ng asawa?
Napunta dyan minsan. Minsan namin. Pero di pa kami nakapunta.
Pero lahat ng yung friend ng mama ko nasa Nabota.
Dana!
Opo. Sige, kalbo.
Dana, ate!
Okay na, okay na.
Finally!
Binigyan ng tita niya yan. Dakin.
9%. Let me check right.
Dapat ano yan. 7
My voice is always something blocking on my... Oh, shit.
Nauna.
Oh, I just left. Hi, Pini. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, the charger. Whew. That's close one. I'm trying to just plug this on. Yes. And I have a new charger. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Flip it. Come on. You bitch. Fun. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, not play ball. Wait, where's the next? Oh, shit. Okay. I mean, and don't trade. You just trade me. I have so much bad things. Not again. Just delete it. And then. Get this. Like. Bitch. Oh my god, why this is Scott? Wait. And there's so much success. When the grade meme is almost come, we need to say 21. Yeah, say 21 on my comments too. Yeah. Oh my god, my back. And have you watched watching? And that's my plan. Then, oh my god. Let me forget for a bit.
Kaso sabi nila, kasi pinanganak ko sa Manila, baka pinanganak ko. Ay, hindi ko alam yun sa ano din. Sa ano din yan.
Someone is not talking. In this routine, take and every. Oh my God.
Hindi dapat bago mag-iulil sila binigyan na.
And never get that. Lord? I'm putting my ears. I'm not my ears. Oof. Oh, wait. When I grow up, I want to be a YouTuber. And I already for the first time. Piss! Piss, piss, piss! He want a piss! Yeah, I was stabbed on my oh shit. Incorrect way. RP. And I have the usage as thing. And officially so background my eye. And stop! Just stop. Just stop trading with me. I hope. Don't trade me. Because I have no admins. Any admins. Do you know? You don't? This freaking add this feature revolution. You can check inventories of freaking any player. Yeah. And I have no admins too. Can you just freaking add that feature, please, admins? I mean, owners of revolution, please. Please, Mikia, please. Can you just do that? Please. And you need to just add this feature too. You can, I don't know, you can fight on any join and I can create a body and just AFK and just sit over there and watch the freaking fight and walk. Yeah, that freaking add this feature. Yeah, that feature. And stuff. What the you always say that? How? Because and what the fuck? And this is Aquafire. I have so much. And I have no cards. Yeah. And this is a new freaking event called Spaghetti Tolerate. And this is there's a Red Boss. Please spell. And the game is now much easier than before. Everywhere can feel this change. Toxic. Job pack. A job. Flash rooms. I can that type too. Is this like lol and that fell. Always cracking every day. Yeah, 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 yeah. And let's go. And there's answer Roblox. And the edge verification, I hate that. And there's ads. Like you, Roblox. And don't add ads feature. Because and I don't speak like that anymore. And my brain. And my mom just showed me scores on Roblox. Oof. And stop treating me. Because now, look at this. I had no and I can trade in Dragon and give me some ends too, please. Please, gods. And give me some luck. I hope I got that. And I got a bully pen. That's right. Wait. Can you give me some bully pens, though? For Dracula. So for each thing and give me some almonds. That's a great trick, right? And some secrets. All your secrets. Just kidding. Oh my neck. Like, do you hear that cracker sound though? Ow! The fuck? Oh, who done? And the next people. And this too. Lun. And some. I have so much of this and so much of this. That means. That means I'm gonna just. Oh my god, I'm even my voice. Oof. Look at the rooms and look at the rooms. Look at that. Blink. Ow. And I just my whole thing. Yeah. Ano? Already.
Okay lang sa bigaw.
Nalokat na.
Alin?
Yung cellphone ni Dad.
Fresh na doon.
But nagamit ko yung charger pa. I have 304 million wins. You can trade for me for 3.6 billion for I am. Okay. Because N is the S away. Yeah. I bet they have so much. My. Oh my god, not yet. My tongue. And. And. Again. My ball is broken too. What the fuck? Ow. What the fuck? Oh my god. And XP potions, XP potions. And
Okay, tama na yan. Sige. Alas 2 na. Tama na yan. Punta na tayo.
hindi ako antok.
Hindi pwede, di ba sabi ko, hapon, magpasang oras, di ka nakatulog. Nagkakasakit ka pag hindi ka nakaka-sleep. Kaya patayin mo na yung tablet mo, pahingahin mo na, dahil wala siyang pahinga. Pag hindi mo yung pinahinga, maiinis ako sa'yo, tatapon ko yung tablet
Goodbye,
mo.
daw.
Tatapon ko sa'yo, ha? Walang pahinga din yung tablet mo. Bukas